To enable two-factor authentication, you have to go to your profile account, then from the right corner click account in setting and privacy, then again settings, scroll below, then you will find security and login. Scroll again, then you can see use two-factor authentication. Click edit, there are three types of authentication. One is Authentication App, text message, security key. We are going to solve by text message. Click use text message. Give your phone number. Then continue. Without zero, then hit enter. We'll find authentication message into our mobile. Our authentication code is 910 961. Then hit enter, then hit continue. Our two-factor authentication is now on. Then hit done. You can use another number. We are going to click not now. Two-factor authentication is on. Now our two-factor authentication mode is on. You can manage from this bar. If you want to turn off, go to again and turn off. And if you want to use different phone number, you can change from this tab. After all, thanks for watching.
Like a dragonfly, just grab my hair.